Hello guys, my name is Miracle. Welcome to my channel. So on this channel, I'll be teaching new YouTubers what to do, the strategy to use to grow their YouTube to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So today we are starting out fresh from prospective YouTuber. I will be teaching you how to set up a new YouTube channel from beginning to the end. So I'll be using my phone today. So if you have a laptop, you can just follow the same process I'm going to follow now. But I'm going to be using a phone and an Android phone. Also, if you are a iPhone user, you can use the same method. Okay, let's dive into it. So first, you are going to go to your YouTube app. If you don't have it installed on your phone, just go to the Play Store and install a YouTube app. But by default, Android phone has a YouTube application. So you can just download it. If you're using an iPhone too, you can download it. So this is my YouTube app. I have a YouTube channel before. I even have multiple. However, for the sake of this class, I'm going to be creating a new YouTube channel and set it up so that you can understand better practically. Okay, so from here, the first thing you're going to do is click on you. If you have a channel already, just click on you. If you do not have, you have a Gmail account, because today we are going to be using the Gmail account. So if you have the Gmail account, you can just try to sign in to your YouTube with your Gmail account. But if you don't have, follow this process I'm going to give you now. So click on you. Probably if you want to use a new YouTube account, then you will see account at the top left corner. Click on that and to open. You will see the YouTube channel I have already. So where we are going is that we want to create a new YouTube channel. So you will see a plus sign at the very top. See, so you click on the plus sign. So it's going to roll like this. Ask for your phone password or pattern. Just do it and wait for it to load. Yes, so it's asking for you to input your email address. So here, if you have an existing email address, you can insert it here. But if you do not have, all you need to do is to click on the create account. So it's asking, is it for your personal use or for your work or business? If you can go ahead and create or buy a business account from Gmail, because you're going to be using Gmail for this purpose. So if you want to buy a business account from Google, you can go ahead and do that. And if you need me to teach you how to buy a business account, you could just indicate that in the comment section, and I would teach you in my subsequent classes. All right, but for today's class, I will be using for my personal use. So you click on for my personal use. Okay, and then it's going to ask for your first name and for your surname. I'm going to be creating this YouTube channel for someone, so I will just try to insert their first name and their surname. Okay, so go ahead and do that if you're following me. Okay, once you have that inserted, click next. All right, it's going to ask for your date of birth, so just insert your date of birth. Okay, and also your gender. We inserted the gender and we click on next. Click on next, after which, okay, it has to create a Gmail address now. So it's suggested to Gmail address. I don't want that. I want to create a different Gmail address. So I'm going to click on create your own Gmail address. So it's going to ask you to insert the name you want on your Gmail address, like so at gmail.com. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in what I want. I'm to insert a password. So it's going to ask you also to insert a password. Put in your password. Make sure you're using a strong password so that hackers will not be able to have access to your account. I'm done with the password, so I'm going to click next. So you can save your password for the sake of when you want to log in another time. You just click on it and it's going to remember your password. So click next. So it's saying that you should choose your settings. You can choose to do one-step setting, or you can choose to do four-step setting, any one of your choice. But for the case of this class, so that this video will not be unnecessarily long, I'm going to choose one step. So it's telling me some things like I should read the conditions, but I don't want to go ahead and read this. I already understand what they're saying, so I'll just go ahead and say accept all. You can actually read if you want to understand or learn about Google account. Then you click on confirm. Then this is the agreement. You click on I agree. All right, so it's loading, so let us give it time. So he's saying that you can unlock 15 gigabytes of storage at no cost by using your phone number, or you can keep 5 gig, because initially Gmail comes with 5 gigabytes of storage. Okay, so but if you want to use the 15 gigabytes of storage, you can just put your number so that it can increase it to 15 gig. I would like to have 15 gig of storage because it's larger. Okay, so I'm going to insert the number, my phone number. So this is the phone number of the user I'm helping to create this account, but you have to verify it. So let's just go ahead, click continue. So I'm using a different number. This is my number, so I'm going to choose Nigeria. And I'm going to put his phone number. Right, add number. So it's saying we should verify that it is you, so you need to verify. So I'm going to click continue. So a code will be sent to my phone. So we've gotten 15 gigabytes of storage. That's good. So I really love this because that's 3 times the normal storage, which is 5 gigabytes. Me just putting my phone number, this is for free. And I love that. So I'm going to click on done. So now it's going to check the info. Just wait for it to, complete that. So this is complete. So this is the first interface that you will see once you completely, create a Gmail for your YouTube channel. So this is the interface that brought me. So you try to get started by searching something on YouTube. So you can just, for example, if you want to do motivational speaking on YouTube, or you want to do something like me education, you can just search something like that. Just search anything so that they can, help you build a feed so that they will suggest such videos to you. So I'm going to be searching for inspirational speeches because that's what this YouTube bar wants to do. So you can see different. Wow, I love this. Dr. Miles Moore. I love this. So this is what I search for. So you can watch. You can just watch randomly so that YouTube can know that you are not a bot. Because when you start posting, YouTube might think you're a bot. For example, I just opened a YouTube channel today. I do not watch anything. I just go ahead and post 5 videos without watching people's video with the account. I do not watch people's video with the account. I do not like, I do not subscribe. YouTube might think you are a robot. So you can just try to watch people's posts or videos, like, subscribe to their YouTube channel. Okay, so this is your account. So now you click on this here. So once you click on that, this is the name of the user account. So you can go ahead, you will see create channel. This is where you create your YouTube channel. So just click on create channel. YouTube is going to create a YouTube channel for you. So now we are asked to, you can edit your name, You can edit your handle. Probably you don't want to use Ola Oluwatobi Olawomi. Probably you have a channel name in mind. You can just insert them here. So you can choose a picture from your gallery for your profile picture, or you can just take a new picture by using your camera. So I'm going to skip that for now. Yes, you now have a YouTube channel. Okay, you click on create channel. This is the new YouTube channel. So if you click on this now, you see it has changed from create channel to view channel. So you can click on this to view your channel. So it's saying that you are good to go. You can create a new video. You can check your analytics. You can edit your channel also. However, if you really want to edit this channel, you can just go straight to YouTube Studio. You can download that on your phone, and you can do it from the web. This is where we have so many things to look into. You have so many things to look into, and I'll be teaching that in my next lessons. Okay, I'll be teaching that in my next video. So if you like what you watch and you like to see more of this, you can just hit the subscribe button so that YouTube can suggest my videos to you once I post them. And you can also like, so that this channel will reach to many, or this video will reach to many people out there that really need this kind of teachings. Okay, thank you.